From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise Radio News with Doug Parker.
Here's your cruise news briefs for Monday, May 24th, 2021. On Friday, Royal Caribbean submitted restart plans to the CDC. President Michael Bailey posted on Facebook in part. Yesterday, Royal Caribbean submitted the first of several port/health plans to the CDC, which are required to receive approval for the simulated voyages, which are required to precede approval for regular cruises. Now the line waits for CDC approval. On Friday, Royal Caribbean Group announced that they would be sailing 3 ships to Alaska: Serenade of the Seas, Ovation, and Celebrity Summit. On Sunday, Serenade of the Seas was in Miami to vaccinate over 200 crew members. And we are now seeing what the older Carnival Cruise Line ships will look like with the new red, white, and blue livery. Carnival Magic is currently in a shipyard in Marseille, France, getting a fresh coat of paint and some general maintenance. Carnival Magic's dry dock in Marseille is scheduled to be completed later on today. Next up will be Carnival Glory in June. And Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas entered dry dock in Cadiz, Spain last week for general maintenance and work. At over 228,000 gross registered tons, she is one of the largest cruise ships in the world by gross tonnage. These photos are courtesy of Navantia Shipyard. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Once cruising resumes in the U.S., Symphony will sail Caribbean voyages from Port Miami's Terminal A. And cruise stocks were down slightly on Friday. Carnival Corporation, 27.17, down 1.3. Royal Caribbean, down 2%, 82.82. And Norwegian, 28.70, down 1.2%. Breaking news and up-to-the-minute industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise Radio News.
The proceeding was a production of Cruise Radio. For more accurate and dependable updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.